Hey guys, so a new day, a new video. So today we are here with a new product unboxing. So here we have the Mi Trimmer 2. So basically this trimmer was only trimmer in the market with the battery percentage and the travel lock, means a travel lock which is not limited to hardware, it's like software based. So let's see what's inside. It's IPX7 washable body, so you can wash it fully, and it has 40 length setting. It has 90 minute cordless use, means after full charge you can use 90 minutes. It has digital LED screen that I told you already for the battery percentage. And in this side nothing. This side they have what's inside the box. There is a trimmer, user manual, charging cable, trimming comb too. One comb comes attached to the trimmer and other is separate. Travel pouch, cleaning brush, and MRP mentioned is 3498. I got it for 1800 1799, and manufactured by imported by Xiaomi. Some other company has manufactured as Xiaomi does ecosystem. So month of import is June, and year of manufacture is also year and month of manufacture also June. So it's like latest one. Let's unbox it. So as you can see, I have already opened the seal because I wanted to see it before, so I can know make this unboxing. So I haven't done anything other than charging, so I will tell you how. So this is the box. There is nothing inside. So what you get is so this is a user manual that tells that how many beard styles you can set, or what is the correct way to shave the beard. And here the indicator, battery indicator, so it will say normal operation lit, okay, and low battery blinking, then battery depleted, enable blink 3 times, so charging, blinking, and plug and play blinking. Travel lock is enabled off. So travel lock, everything is off. अगर आप you will, if you check, if you want to check travel lock, that will blink 3 times if you try to turn it on during travel lock. So how to enable travel lock? Press the power button, log on or off, so it will be enabled or disabled, and blink 3 times simultaneously to tell that your travel lock. So care and maintenance, the normal trimmer, you need to oil it and different things. Okay, and let's see what other things are there. So blade head is damaged, you can replace, but there is no replacement blade head available, I haven't seen anywhere. Motor styling, protection, and different things, so we can read it later. You can pause the video, I have already shown it well. So this is the box, so it has two-way compartments. So let's see. So this side is the trigger. Okay, let's keep it apart. Let's see what's inside more. So okay, so this is the pouch, this is the brush, charging cable, it's a type C one, so only trimmer with type C charging in the market right now. This is a pouch is quite handy, good looks. And let's see what else is inside. Okay, so it's on the side. Okay, so it's one comb and nothing else is empty. So box is quite compact, so let's keep it aside. uh, so we have this big comb, this type C cable, this brush, and this is a trimmer. So let's see what's in the trimmer packaging. So this pack, so this is 0.008 INR. You can sell it again, they will buy back, so it's really great. So this is a trimmer, so you can see the dial lock is almost the same as the last one. So you can see the blade is lifting as I change. So there are 40 settings. I don't know how, because these are 10 and the middle ones are like half, so 20 settings. But I think this blade and that blade they count as 20, 20, 40, maybe like this, I don't know how. Okay, and this is the power button. Here somewhere is the LED, and body is quite unique. And let's see here, so this is, I think, the charging port. Yeah, this is the type C charging port, and the whole body is sealed, so you just need to put it back so that the water doesn't goes in. And let me show you, turning it on. So see, it's on and the voice is quite not very low, but it's medium level. And this shows the percentage. I charged it to 100%. It was 63% when it arrived. And how to apply travel lock? So just press it long I think. Yeah, see the lock button appeared, so it's travel lock. 3 time blinking, travel lock. And if we try to turn it on, see it will show the percentage, but it will lock, so it won't turn on. So I will like long press again, and it started and it turned off. Okay, and let's see the blades. This is the comb, so you just need to pull it up and it will come out. This is a small comb, so 20 and 20 40 settings. This is how to open. You need to pull it up. So the blade seems okay, it's not very good. The motor seems good at in comparison to the blade. This is very light and very not very good. So let's see what other things. So let's put it back. So put it back. You need to just put this here and leg clip drum. So quite good, but the blade is quite low quality. And what else we have? We have nothing else. At the bottom, it shows that you can wash it and the company name which made it. So if I can show you clearly, wait, let me clear it. If my camera focuses here, so it's manufactured by Shanghai Holomi Technology Corporation Limited, made in China, and model number is this. Input voltage 9 volt 2 amperes, so it charges 10 watts. So it's quite fast because I charged it from 60 to 100 and it was like 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. Voltage 3.7 volt, and this volt, I don't know what is this for, maybe water coming out if it goes on the top. And this trimmer doesn't heat while charging, so it's really good that it doesn't heat at all, no heating at all while charging. So it was cool, like hell cool. I have a Nova trimmer which got damaged, so I bought it this one. So that was heating like hell. So you just put it to charge and just touch it, the battery portion was like too hot. But here nothing. And the best part is that you can charge it to any of your charger, type C chargers. That's why I got it. So guys, this was it for this video. So in the next one we'll tell you that how was the performance and if it can trim good or not, or just for the name sake. So we have heard some bad things for Xiaomi trimmer, the past ones, but this one seems promising and we'll tell you later. So guys, bye bye, stay tuned for more updates. If you want follow-up video for this one, how is the performance, then please comment down below so that we can know that you want it and we will make it, because it takes quite a lot of energy and time in making a follow-up video for this type of trimmers and to show everything. So you can leave a comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also bring your family and friends. So bye bye for now, take care, peace out.